yesterday, Team Uddhav Thackeray was insisting there was no rebellion in its ranks, no split, no Operation Tiger. Every report of MPs preparing to jump ship was being dismissed as propaganda, rumor, and BJP's wishful thinking. Today, Shiv Sena, Uddhav's group's most aggressive voice, Sanjay Raut, detonated the same defense. The very MPs he was certifying as loyalists barely 24 hours ago were suddenly branded crooks, sellouts, dishonest, and traitors. Such was the intensity of the rage that not only did Raut hurl abuses, he also instructed, don't edit it out.
एका खासदारानं 3 मिनिटात 4 वेळा साईबाबांची शपथ घेतली. 4 वेळा. एकानं आई भवानीची शपथ घेतली. आई भवानीची शपथ साहेब मी तुमच्याबरोबर. एकानं त्याच्या मुलीची शपथ घेतली. एकानं त्याच्या मुलीची शपथ घेतली. कोणी बाळासाहेब ठाकरेंची शपथ घेतली. एका महत्वाच्या व्यक्तीकडून सांगण्यात आलं महाराष्ट्रातील खासदारांना विकत घेतलं जात आहे. मी म्हटलं काय भावाला? ते म्हणले भाव तोच आहे हमी भाव 50 कोटी, पण आज रात्रीपर्यंत सगळ्यांना 15-15 कोटी रुपये त्यांना आज रात्री पोचतायत आणि मग ते खासदार दिल्लीमध्ये येतील, त्याशिवाय ते विमानात बसायला तयार नाही. बाळासाहेब ठाकरेंनी आम्हाला मुलासारखं वाढवलं सगळ्यांना. उद्धव ठाकरेंनी आमच्यावरती सातत्यानं भावासारखं प्रेम केलं. हे कोण जात आहेत हे? नहीं, डोंट कट, ये कट मत करना. ये बेईमान है और बेईमानी उनके खून में है.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have a confession to make. He said don't beep out the abuses, but as a national broadcaster, we can't afford to show it and be on the wrong side of law. So sorry, Mr. Sanjay Raut, your words, but we have to beep it because we follow the law in this country. But the shock of betrayal is impossible to miss. But for the opposition, the setbacks only appear to be multiplying. After Bengal and Maharashtra, now Uttar Pradesh is also buzzing with a new political prediction. NDA ally Om Prakash Rajbhar has claimed that a major split is brewing within the Samajwadi Party as well. Akhilesh Yadav has hit right back, accusing the BJP of having a history of engineering splits. The BJP has rejected the charge outright. They say the fault lines lie within these parties. The question now is, as NDA embarks on a warlike mission to cross the 2/3 majority mark in order to push key reforms, is everything now a fair game? The debate on the other side, listen in.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Well, with me on the debate, Vivek Silas, Sanjay Jha, Charu Pragyan, Anand Ranganathan. Vivek Silas, अब आपके यहाँ भी कुछ जलजला है उत्तर प्रदेश में, क्योंकि बाकी कल तक जो कह रहे थे कुछ नहीं हुआ, आज किस तरह की गालियां दे रहे हैं वो आपने सुन ही लिया होगा. लेकिन आपके घर में तो सब ठीक है ना?
लेकिन अविका जी, पहले तो आपने अभी संजय राउत जी के बारे में बात की कि उनकी हम गाली नहीं सुना सकते. वैसे भी जो गाली ओम प्रकाश राजभर में 2022 में मोदी जी और योगी जी को दी है, उसको भी मैं नहीं बोल सकता. वो ऐसी थी कि उसको हम नहीं बोल सकते ना आप सुन सकते हैं. क्या छोड़िए. Om Prakash Rajbhar is known as the yellow toad of the UP politics. He is known as the yellow toad. वो कब कहाँ चले जाएंगे, कब क्या बोल देंगे, उनको खुद नहीं पता है. उन्होंने 2022 में कहा था कि मोदी और योगी को ऐसी जगह भेजेंगे जहां घंटी बनाने के लिए घंटा भी नहीं मिलेगा. ये कहा था ओम प्रकाश राजभर ने मोदी जी को और योगी जी को, और आज
मुद्दा वो नहीं है.
बैठे हुए हैं.
विवेक साइलेस जी, मुद्दा ओम प्रकाश राजभर नहीं है. मुद्दा ये है कि क्या शिवसेना और टीएमसी के जैसे आपके यहाँ पे भी कोई अर्थक्वेक है?
नहीं, हम तो अर्थक्वेक क्रिएट करते हैं, हम अर्थक्वेक में फंसते नहीं है ना. वी आर द एपिडर्मिस ऑफ द अर्थक्वेक, जहां तक समाजवादी पार्टी की बात है. और हमने 2024 में इसको देख भी लिया था. आनंद जी, हंसने की जरूरत नहीं, आप भी थे और मेरी आपकी शर्त भी लगी थी. बनारस में हम डिबेट कर रहे थे और जो मैंने कहा था वही निकला था. मैंने आपसे कहा था कि समाजवादी पार्टी अयोध्या हार रही है, और आप हंसते हंसते वो जो फेरी थी उसकी कुर्सी से गिर गए थे कि ये कैसे हो सकता है, लेकिन 99,000 वोट से हारी कि नहीं हारी, हाँ या ना में जवाब दे दीजिए। ओम प्रकाश राजभर जो हमारा सूत्र कह रहा है 75 सीट मांग रहे हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी से, अलायंस से, उनको भारतीय जनता पार्टी दे रही है 5। उन्होंने पैसे का एडवांस ले लिया है 30 लोगों से। अब वो करेंगे क्या, वो जाएंगे कहाँ बेचारे, पैसा तो खा गए।
Well,
तो वही
so
वो-
you are saying that the BJP is not capable of breaking another party,
Not
and
at all, not at all.
your house is in order. Is
Samajwadi
that
Party,
what
no,
you are
no,
saying?
no. Yeah, of course. Samajwadi Party will not be broken, no matter whatever the
Chalo,
Bharatiya Janata
chalo,
Party does.
if the Samajwadi Party is not being broken, Sanjay Jha, then why is the Shiv Sena complaining? They are saying 15 crore offer हुए. अरे भाई, when they are your MPs, they should be above any of these corrupt practices. If opposition parties and the Trinamool Congress in Tripura has taken Congress leaders into their fold, and at that time justified is that wherever the Congress is weak, TMC will take in their leaders. If it was correct, then what's wrong with the BJP taking in MLAs and MPs from other parties?
Navika, let me tell you, all of us on the panel will be doing a great disservice to democracy if we even insinuate 1% that what the BJP is doing is Chanakya Niti or political strategy. It is not. Operation Lotus, Operation Washing Machine, call it what you want. This is destroying Indian democracy at its foundational core. It doesn't matter that the BJP is in power today, they'll be out tomorrow. Governments will change, new prime ministers will emerge. But the damage that the BJP is doing to this country is enormous, and in some cases will be irreparable. And I'm telling you,
when the
chickens always come
Samajwadi
home-
Party under Mulayam Singh Yadav, created fissures in the BSP, when the TMC took over leaders from the Congress Party in Tripura, when the Congress Party in itself has broken its party, split into various different identities at different times, that was fine, Charu Pragya. Only when something happens in the BJP's regime, it is disservice to democracy.
Now, have you seen the scale, the brazenness, and the magnitude?
You know, it is incredibly laughable right now what Sanjay ji is saying, Navika ji, and allow me to remind him of very recent history. Very recent history. पुरानी बातें भी नहीं कर रही हूँ. सबसे पहले when Shiv Sena split, it was nothing to do with the BJP. It was their own internal family fight. Do you remember Raj Thackeray versus Uddhav Thackeray? A new political party was made out of it. There you had nothing to say. In fact, after that, do you remember the split that happened in Samajwadi Party and Pragatishil Samajwadi Party was made by Shivpal Yadav? What had BJP got to do with any of that? There also, that family was fighting itself. Karyakartas were fighting, MLAs were fighting. That had nothing to do with my political party at all, Sanjay ji, and you should remember that. And you think it was moral when Congress joined hands with JDS in Karnataka, formed the government, and everything was great. You were then protecting the constitutional morality of politics. The same thing you did in Rajasthan when all BSP MLAs merged with the Congress. You formed the government, and all of that is allowed. You completely refuse and fail to see the reality of Indian opposition today. You're splintering at the seams. You do
I have
not
one
exist.
question, Anand
That is
Ranganathan.
because-
Are political parties responsible for keeping their own homes in order, or has that issue been outsourced also to Narendra Modi?
नाविका, पहले तो मैं चुपचाप बैठ के अपने बड़े भाई विवेक जी की बात सुन रहा था. मेरे को तोड़ दिया, कह रहे हैं कि आप हंस क्यों रहे हैं. नॉर्मली मैं विवेक जी की बातों पे रोता हूं, लेकिन आज हंस इसलिए रहा था क्योंकि विवेक जी ने कहा समाजवादी पार्टी इज द एपिडर्मिस ऑफ अर्थक्वेक. ही मेंट द एपिसेंटर. तो इसीलिए मुझे थोड़ी हंसी आ गई थी. एपिडर्मिस नहीं है. लेकिन if I was about to say, when life gives you a Sanjay, choose a Jha, not a Raut. But what has Mr. Sanjay Jha said right now? He is castigating the BJP, saying democracy gayi bhar mein. His is the same party. They were fighting like cats and dogs with Shiv Sena and with NCP. And after the polls, they joined together to form the government. The most corrupt government in Maharashtra's history, where the commissioners of police and everyone were on the run. They have the gall to teach other parties a lesson in democracy. Sanjay, my friend, this is the limit.
Well,
Not-
I only know one thing, that there are things happening. The Shiv Sena was in denial today, abusing people, saying 15 crores were offered when they couldn't prevent their own MPs. Suddenly a beeline to the speaker's office. Same story with the Trinamool Congress. The question is, when they celebrate, when they do things like this, the Samajwadi Party's history on breaking BSP MLAs, the Congress Party's history on swallowing the BSP, the Trinamool Congress taking away MLAs of the Congress Party, it's all been done in the past. Why pretend that it's only happening now? And it's only now that democratic standards are being abused. That's the only thing that surprises me. This hypocrisy that exists about standards of democracy. भैया, यहाँ हमाम में डैश 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 और 900 चूहे खा के बिल्ली हज को चली, ये तो बहुत सारे मुहावरे हैं, किसी को भी उठा लीजिए. Each one fits the bill. Thank you very much to all my panelists, and thank you viewers for joining me on the News Hour tonight. With that, it's a wrap. Good night, viewers. Thank you for joining me on the News Hour. I'll be back tomorrow. Be safe.